During the frigid months of winter, it seems like survival would be nearly impossible, unless you have large feet, like the snowshoe hare. The hare's feet spread its weight out, allowing the animal to float on top of the snow, for on the bottom of the foot keeps the hare protected from the cold as well. The lynx and snowshoe hare have a very unique relationship. The lynx's primary prey is the hare, composing 40 to 97% of the lynx's diet. Their populations have cyclic rises and falls. So how does the lynx catch so many hares? Let's watch. The lynx also has large feet, allowing it to chase after the snowshoe hare in deep snow. The chase lasts until the animal is tired, or the hare is caught. A typical lynx will need to catch 1 to 2 hares per day to survive the cold winter.